Hello, it's your girl Annie Stock, and I come again for dropping another video. I bet una begin subscribe and I no only watch you. This video on the same as soon as some girl will become mod for some people boy. I say he grow mad because of it be use kaya matter, he bounce back. But now the latest development I say na movie where the actor where they get to play the role of a mad lady. I bet una see and say this exposure for this woman, it appear naked on the street. It get for being a mad Cindy, so any video, any movie, more try for judge, and there are several ways where person if act a mad person role. If you wear theater clothes, if you wear some kind of clothes, but not to this extent. So more judge, and for my own side, I say there was a better way she could appear in public for this role where they give, because say some people they feel like if they give their role, it's just all about going out like that. Then again, we go talk about this very bad thing will happen for this guy where they be allegedly deportee from Dubai, where go back for Cameroon for Bamenda. News the retreat say he stab the auntie several times, so street say and they begin some argument. He be the threatening the auntie say go kill he push the auntie for down on her house, then he stab he. So more talk about this thing, it be condemning. There is no justification for why you go kill somebody. Some people they try for say maybe be send money for a family they chop, and more talk. Yeah, we go talk about Carol and Kopi their wedding. See, the baddest wedding this one I don't see am for 237. These people just went low key and did their thing and came to the public to show us. Now wait till this one they talk about simplicity, humility. If you know say your hand no reach, no do something because you are impress the population. I see some comment where some person drop am for under this thing for Facebook where the person talk say only 2 months or how many months when they for comment una don already run go married. What the hell? I bet my put down talk am with una own up, una type una say whether this comment where the person make am so it make any sense. If the two they don't see and say they don't reach level where they fit settle down, start their family, and not say anything will be wrong. If Karobi start jump from one place to the other, follow politicians they are around, sorry, that one for Haley say big girl, big class, then can do some magnificent wedding one be after 1 month married Kwara. So they say and say Cameroon, in as much as a lot of bad things that happen, positivity they still come to play. See young beautiful couple they decide for tie the knot, see talent. I mean say inborn talent ready for they get them. They just click, they just born. May we pray say may God continue to keep these people there in unity, how they always be happy. Career and copies like I never see this kind of bond, comedy bond between two people them. More continue to encourage this kind of things them. More no dinner for see like oh they are flashy, they are this, they are that. No. Me, I be take a lot of time for believe say this thing they actually married now. When I see the intimate pictures them, I believe say truly now marriage this. So see, it's simple, it's nice, it's good, it's okay, everything there on point. The pictures there, no need for this life. Why would the one kill herself or nothing? All these things that are vanity. They don't just show me a clear example of being humble, being very humble. I see God bless them every day. God bless them. They move from height to height. One day, one just see that they go hit. So more continue to share the people. They move to share love. More to talk about love. More forget about hate. More to push them. But the thing I say, as the day for us here, anything way they do, I will use that for example because wait, there be what eyes there for Cameroon. They represent you. They represent you for any side they step their foot now 237 figure and this will see and so one thing they say a big congratulations. May God bless your union. May God bless your womb. May give una many kids. May give una prosperity. May continue for make una humble. May una not look down on una supporters them. May una always be there for una supporters them. Give them listening ear. May una get the grace for continue to make more comedy. May marry no overtake una wanna no go fit give with the thing they would expect am from una. So we bless una, we tell una say we love una, and we expect a very beautiful skits them from una because we no want to waste our data online now. But una give we very nice things that una keep up, una industry go to grow and grow because this one so now una own company una don't organize and una self una discover una talent inside una use and to build una family, to build una career. So this one so really we get for share to educate to our youth them. It's not to be too much up there to make yourself be visible to the population. Your humility fit take you go many places them. Your humble nature fit take you go plenty places them because we self believe say this couple they really be humble. These people are humble. They act with their inner mind. They will act with their body, their spirit, their soul. They put everything together and so easy. So this appreciation fit really be lengthy, but I no fit really stop appreciating these two people. So beautiful, so loving. Then they make comedy, the winner comedy. As a man when they follow career and compete for 237, no, that person don't know what they do. That person so no know what they do, because I don't appreciate them. Stay, I don't get what again for appreciate them. I beg, una for comment section, una start appreciate these people. Una appreciate them. Then I want to talk about this one ex footballer for our team, where they call it say Josh Majid. See way a public person dey do am, see way a footballer dey do am. He don't touch life, he don't bless this woman in life. This girl be in a blind girl where he need na blanket, I think so, for Douala. This one Majid, the ex-footballer, he don't go donate for this woman in life. He donate for this woman in life. He give materials the way if he help people enhance that a business where they do am. He buy a lot of things them just to put them together, like chairs, umbrella, and so many other things them. See, things are really changing in 237. Though it won't go bam, but some put a day that is still stand for straightening them. Where are our celebrities? Where are our public figure? Where are our rich people? Where are our footballers? Where are our artists? Where are our comedians? Where are our bushfaller, diaspora? Where are we? More stretch our hands them, more of lift the people them back home. Wait till they do them, wait till they expect from people them, wait till the impact for people their life. See an example of a public figure. I not really know it that much, but see, it don't just make her annoying in a very positive way. Make her around be that level where we feed the touch people them. Some people they can't comment say must they show it on social media. If they not show on social media, how you go to take an impact we? How you go to take and show we example? Then the problem not for showing for social media. The problem is the intention of showing it to social media. Because a lot of people they go learn from this. You don't know where your blessing they come out. Your blessing don't actually come out for the person where you do it good. If it come out from the people the way they see the thing where you do and good. Only the prayers people they pray for you. Only the in fact I don't know how I feel talk. Una just stay. I love una. Una subscribe now. Only the watch show.